There we go. Whee!
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another nice country scenic road drive of Tesla's 11.4.4 full self-driving beta. If you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the YouTube algorithm.
And shout out to all the farmers working really hard today.
No kidding. If you ate today, thank a farmer.
Ooh, that looks like a hawk. Lightning's gonna brag to RC. I got to go off-roading today. I was a big ball.
I'm going to go for a bath. For those of you that are wondering what the inside joke is there, my car's name is Lightning, and
mine is RC.
Doggone Sci-Fi's is RC. We're not announcing the Cybertruck's name yet.
But it'll be awesome.
It will be epic. I'm very excited about it. Has a custom plate and everything.
If we ever get the plate.
Well, State of Washington. Public service announcement to the State of Washington. Please, my personalized license plate that was approved back in January of this year, I'd like to receive it.
You're right, holding this is like holding a kite bar.
Isn't that nice?
I wanted to make sure you got that on camera of me saying it right.
She's referring to the yoke steering wheel. I still think the Cybertruck has the best wheel. It has the best of both worlds. It satisfies both camps. The people that like the yoke and the people that just like a round wheel.
When they introduced it, they should have used Miley Cyrus. You get the best.
Right.
I'm sorry, Hannah Montana. Coming up on a left turn. This place is really far out here, and I'm wondering if it's just a production or if it is a tasting room too, but it's a brewing place.
This looks like production. From the air, it's production.
Well, it doesn't look like it's open yet.
That's what I'm saying. From the air, it looks very production.
Coming soon.
I mean, it might have a small tasting room. You know how sometimes like some of these places have like small tasting rooms with them. But it looks like their primary production facility, which is really cool.
Mm-hmm. I still like the sparkling wine place in Prosser.
Oh, that place is great. I can see how that's really popular for a lot of people.
All right, coming up on our left turn.
Pretty day though.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, a bit smoky, but pretty day.
Much better than yesterday with the smoke, though.
True.
Yesterday you couldn't even see the hills. This is Powerline City. Take
Oh, I see it all.
to that city with the grass is green. So pretty.
There we go.
This would be a great place to take your kid to learn to drive.
Right?
Because it's not really a high traffic area. There's enough twists and turns to practice lane centering and that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm. To be able to practice like the apex of the turn and that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
How to handle when someone's going to pass you.
Yeah.
They have dinosaurs in their backyard? That's awesome. There were like these iron raptor statues.
Oh, nice. Sometimes it's hard for me to pick up those subtle details when I'm trying to.
Oh no, I know. If we come back this way when you're not filming.
But definitely I'm able to do it when I go back and to the edit bay.
Yeah. I had a friend, or she's more like a family friend, that lived in this area before there was all these homes here. And she came out one morning to make her coffee, and there was a rattlesnake in her kitchen.
Oh, jeez.
It always reminded me of like hearing your parents talk about living in the country down there with the. I remember that first night when we came back from
Oh, yeah.
Disneyland, and there were tarantulas on the side of the house.
Well, that was the story. So that's the story that comes to your mind. Thanksgiving is the one that comes to my mind when we were at my cousin's house and they were saying, "Oh, it's not that bad."
Oh, that was Easter.
Oh, was that Easter?
That was Easter, yeah. There were the scorpions and then
That
the
was it.
snake,
That
and then there
was
was the
it.
mouse that was on.
It's like, I'm done. I'm ready to go back to the Northwest. I'm done.
Yeah, no. Mine is when we came back from Disneyland that night at your parents' house, and there were tarantulas all over the side of the house. I was like, nope, I'm sleeping in the car.
I'm done. The car seems safer. Mobile hab.
There were lizards. I was
Oh
like,
my gosh. I remember that. No, I totally remember that now.
I was seriously afraid to go to sleep that night because that wall, the exterior wall of the bedroom, was right where they all were. And I was like, they're going to get in.
It's like right against the wall we were sleeping on.
Yeah. I was like, they're going to get in. It's going to happen. All right, you got 3 minutes. How you doing?
65%.
Good.
Plenty. Must not be as windy out on this trip.
Oh, that's a pretty house. Never noticed that one. You got these, right?
Yep. Well, viewers, as we come up to our destination, I want to thank you for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. Thanks for tuning in to another aerial full self-drive video of 11.4.4. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You all know how that helps the YouTube algorithm. And thanks again for joining us.
And if you too have a scary creature story at your house, please let us know. Turning right. Beep.